Welcome to Veer Gatha 5.0. Today, the students of Prithviraj Chauhan Government School, Naroli, proudly present the story of the great Indian warrior, Maharaja Prithviraj Chauhan, also known as Rai Pithora, the Lion of Delhi and Ajmer. It is a moment of pride for us to honor the very hero after whom our school is named. Prithviraj Chauhan was born in 1166 CE at Ajmer, Rajasthan. He was the son of King Someshwar Chauhan and Queen Karpura Devi. From childhood, he excelled in archery, horse riding, and warfare. Even as a boy, his courage and intelligence made him stand apart. Prithviraj ruled over the twin capitals of Ajmer and Delhi. Under his leadership, the Chauhan dynasty became one of the most powerful Rajput clans. He ruled with justice and compassion, promoting art, literature, and prosperity in his kingdom. Values we as students of his namesake school strive to follow. Prithviraj Chauhan was not only a brave warrior but also a wise and noble ruler. He believed in protecting his people and uniting other Rajput kings to defend India from invaders. He is remembered in history as Rai Pithora, the mighty protector of Bharat. In 1191, Prithviraj faced Muhammad Ghori in the first battle of Taran. After a first fight, Ghori's army was defeated and he was captured. But Prithviraj, showing true Indian value of mercy and forgiveness, released his enemy, proving that real strength lies in compassion. Unfortunately, Ghori returned the next year with a much stronger army. Despite Prithviraj's bravery, his forces were outnumbered and he was captured. This marked a turning point in Indian history, but his courage continued to shine through adversity. Taken to Ghazni as a prisoner, Prithviraj was blinded but not defeated in spirit. His loyal friend and poet Chand Bardai devised a clever plan through a coded poem. He guided the blind king to aim at Ghori's voice. Prithviraj released a single arrow, striking Ghori dead, a final act of bravery that echoed through time. Prithviraj Chauhan was a symbol of courage, loyalty, and sacrifice. He was a true friend, a just ruler, and a fearless warrior. His life reminds us that honor and bravery never fade. Maharaja Prithviraj Chauhan is remembered as the last great Hindu ruler of Delhi. His story teaches us patriotism, courage, and self-respect. We, the students of Prithviraj Chauhan Government School, Naroli English Medium, are proud to carry his name and his spirit into the future. Prithviraj faced believed better to die with honor than live with shame. These words continue to guide us to brave, honest, and proud of our heritage.
And now we present a short drama based on the story of Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori. Witness the moment when courage and intelligence triumphed over cruelty and deceit.
91 में दिल्ली और अजमेर के वीर राजा महाराजा पृथ्वीराज चौहान ने विदेशी आक्रमणकारी मोहम्मद गोरी से पहले युद्ध किया। टेरेन का पहला युद्ध।
महाराज गोरी की सेना आ पहुंची, आपके आदेश का प्रतीक्षा है।
जय राजपूताना, माँ भारत की रक्षा के लिए आक्रमण करो।
हे महान राजा, कृपया मेरी जान बख्श दीजिए।
इसे छोड़ना उचित नहीं।
राजा का धर्म दया में होता है। मैं इसे जीवन दान देता हूँ ताकि ये दया का अर्थ समझे।
एक साल बाद गोरी और भी बड़ी सेना के साथ लौट आया। बहादुरी से लड़ते हुए भी पृथ्वीराज हार गए और गोरी ने उन्हें बंदी बना लिया। गोरी के दरबार में अंधे पृथ्वीराज को लाया गया। उनके साथ उनका मित्र चंद बरदाई भी था, एक योजना के साथ।
अब कहाँ गया तुम्हारा घमंड पृथ्वीराज? जब तुम हमारे कैदी हो, तुम्हें अंधा कर दिया जाएगा।
तू मेरी आंखें छीन सकता है गौरी, पर मेरी वीरता नहीं। राजपूत कभी हार नहीं मानता।
इसे अंधा कर दो। अब चलाओ अपना तीरों अंधे राजा, देखते क्या कर सकते हो।
बास 64 गज अंगुल अष्टप्रमाण ता सुल्तान उमरे मचू के चौहान। और उस एक तीर के साथ अंधे राजा ने अन्याय का अंत कर दिया। पृथ्वीराज चौहान की वीरता अमर हो गई।
महाराज आपकी वीरता सदा के लिए अमर हो गई।
हमारा शरीर मिट सकता है पर देश के प्रति प्रेम और बलिदान की भावना कभी नहीं मिट सकती।
महाराज पृथ्वीराज चौहान की
Thank you for watching our presentation on Maharaja Prithviraj Chauhan. We, the proud students of Prithviraj Chauhan Government School Naroli English Medium, salute his valor and patriotism. May his legacy continue to inspire generations. Jai Hind.